Corn plot, 3rd year. A lot of stuff's in place already. Over here on the left, you can't see it, but I planted sweet potatoes. Over here, I got bush beans up against this fence. There's some wild onion in there too. Then over here, I've got 2 different types of sunflowers. Big giant chocolate ones, and I'm not sure what the other ones are. I think they grew here, we saved the seeds. Well, in there, there's corn, 4 rows of corn. If the wind doesn't blow the seeds out of there, we'll have 4 rows of corn. Once again on this side, more bush beans. And then over here, again, the chocolate sunflower, and a mix of chocolate sunflower and, well, mystery sunflower. So, what's the game plan right here? The game plan is to run these seeds out, and if I don't get germination in 4 days, 5 days maximum, I will get another set of seeds, and I'll place them in there. These are seeds I collected from, gosh, I don't know. They're either last year or the year before. I'm not sure. Things got mixed up. But we're going to see what happens. And probably within the next 2 or 3 weeks, this bed should be pretty well greened up. This is what furrows in the dill looks like. Oh yeah, that's all corn right there. Just a furrow continuously sown. Same thing with this one here. Continuously sown. There's dill everywhere. Again, same. Leaving a little bit of space in between so I can walk through the rows. And here it is covered. I basically just chiseled some cover. Not much, doesn't take much. It really doesn't. Just enough so the birds don't get them. And then over here, the same situation where the beans are. There's bush beans planted against the fence. It's got a nice layer of bush beans the whole way down. And then it's covered with just a thin layer of composting wood chips. Over here on the end, I've got sweet potatoes. They're buried deeply in this much younger wood chip lay. It's okay. They're going to grow like crazy. And that's it. Get some squash in here too. I got some sunflowers on the corners. Back away in little furrows. And we're going to cover these up. Call it a day and watch the sunset.